Oop, it's
What
coming.
are you doing today? We're working on the door. What? I know. And then the babies and the tiny babies.
Say hi to your YouTubers, Dad.
Hi, YouTubers.
Welcome back to Blake and Ben working on the door game. Oh, boy.
Alright, so I guess I'll do the intro to this one. Walking outside without my shoes on. We're getting grass here in our backyard. And
We got
Dad is working, or Ben, aka Dad,
No, you could
is working on our new sliding glass door. There's our door. There's where it needs to go.
Don't show that to the YouTubers.
Got it.
Steady, steady. Yeah. We did it. We could make a go-kart for me.
I thought we were doing this.
Yeah, then we can make a video of us making a go. Hi guys, welcome back to Blake First. And we're gonna make
Like this has sparked your life. You
welcome
wanna tell them
back
that?
to Spark Your Life. And today it's Sparks and Blake. But it's different.
Oh, go ahead.
Hey, bye, Flute Fly. We're gonna make, after this video, oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Bing-a-la-shaw, 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 bing-a-la-shaw. This is the song whatever ends. This is the song whatever ends. It goes on and on, my friend and friend. It goes on and on, my friend and friend. This is the song what.
To the brick. Oh, it'll cook that way. Where you at?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, now I have it. So you can help me catch
Perfect. It's sideways though. That makes it really hard to put in. Just take it out and stand it up and bring it in or
Since
something.
you catch.
It's kind of hard to do it that way unless you like kind of lay it down because of this.
And it's heavy as.
It looks heavy as.
All right, let me get shoes on so I can set it on my feet.
Let me re-angle this camera. We'll move the table.
Let's move this thing too. Somebody took it out of the box.
It's a roly-poly, Dad.
way? No, other than the sticker.
I don't know. That could be the top. Is that the top? You want to put it?
Well, the way the sticker, yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, this is the this is the aluminum track.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the aluminum track. 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 Okay. Okay. Bottom first. Pick it up.
No, it's not.
Oh.
The slot's just gotta go in there.
We're gonna pick this up and set it in there.
No, we're not. We're gonna pick it up and then we gotta pick it up from the top.
That's what we did the last time. And redo it. It's all you, Kayla.
It's gotta go to you.
Well, I'm not on my block anymore, am I? Put your hands up, Kayla. Hold, put them on the door. Ready?
There was no way I catch
The bottom is not going in. You're not up high enough or something. Go in more. Go in more. Okay, too far.
Then put them on the side.
Okay. Don't everybody let go.
It's stuck somewhere. It's not going nowhere.
That way.
Okay, hang on.
It did nothing.
It did. It did a lot. Like, come open and close this door.
Close it. Watch your fingers.
That works. Hey, B, you wanna fight me?
Alright guys, here is our new patio door, all installed except for some minor painting. But that can be done later, and some extra trim outdoors. Ooh, it even bounces a little. Ooh, it is hot out there. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Spark Your Life here at the homestead. We'll see you next time.
Oh, that was a short video.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, hi guys.
No, you say bye guys. That was the end.
Bye guys.